Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the virtual internship program which is provided by the HSBC company. Friend, it is a multinational banking company and it is a very good opportunity for all the freshers, working professionals and the students to complete this online internship and get the certificates. So friend, we are going to check all the details, how you will get these certificates, what types of things you will learn and how you have to register for this virtual internship program. So please watch the video complete. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the Forage and you can see here friend, company name HSBC is given and also you can see here the virtual internship topic, that is global banking and markets. And so friend, how you have to register we will discuss later. Let's move for this information related to this virtual experience program. So friend, you can see here this virtual experience is a free, so you did not have to pay any money. And also you can see this virtual experience is a free for the students, and friend, it is also for the working professionals and the freshers. And you can see here it is a self-paced and it will require 5 to 6 hours to complete this virtual experience program. And friend, also you can see you will get the practical skills and experience from the HSBC, and you can use the experience in your resume so that your resume becomes stronger. So these are the some advantages. So friend, you have the question in mind that why you need to join this virtual experience program. So friend, you can see here their global banking and market virtual experience has been built to provide insights into the investment banking and market teams in the global banking and market businesses. And maybe this is a field you want to explore, or maybe you are just curious and interested to find out more about the types of work our analysts do. And friend, either way, this is the course for you. And once you scroll down, then you can see other information is also given. So you can see here the work will not form part of the official recruitment process. It is designated. It is designed to broaden and deepen your understanding and discover its path you are keen to pursue. And friend, you will receive model answers afterwards to further enhance your understanding of global banking and market at HSBC. And the experience will take no more than 6 hours to complete in total, and you don't have to finish it one in one go because it is a self-paced. So whenever you will get the free time, you can complete it. So friend, it is a very good opportunity. So please grab this opportunity and complete this virtual experience program. And you can also see here Alexi Chan, who is the global co-head of capital market at HSBC, give you a small introduction regarding this virtual experience program. So friend, I will provide the link in the description box from where you can access it so that you can watch it before enrolling in this virtual experience program. So we have already discussed the benefits, what types of benefits you will get, like you will get the certificates, then you will get the real work experience and you can do it in your own time, means it is a self-paced, and you will learn the things directly from the HSBC employee. And friend, you will also get the some of the advantages while recruitment process in the HSBC company. So let's check what types of things you will learn here. So the first module you can see here, identify M&A targets for offshore expansion. So you have to define the strategic rationale for M&A, filtering targets, and you will get the practical skills from the working on these various tasks. So in these skills you will learn the M&A, then strategic rationale, then PowerPoint. So this type of things you will learn. And friend, in the second module, you can see you have to create a debt market update. So in which you have to analyze the transaction data to develop a summary of debt capital market, that is a DCM activity, in which you can increase your skills regarding the debt capital markets, market commentary, what is a charting and PowerPoint presentation. So this type of things you will learn. And also friend, you can see in the third module, you need to analyze a debt financing opportunity, and you have to identify the key strength and the weakness of debt financing transaction. So you will learn the credit analysis, due diligence, and Microsoft Word. So this type of skills improve. And in the fourth module, you can see you will learn how to identify a trading opportunity. So you have to suggest a trade idea by performing a simple analysis in Excel. So you will learn the linear regression in Excel, understanding of asset classes, then calculation of historical volatility, calculation of risk adjusted return. And in the fifth module, you will learn find the right product for a client. So you have to match financial products with the different clients. So in which you have to give the chance to interact with the client. So you will improve your client communication skills, emotional intelligence, and understanding financial instruments. So these type of things you will learn, friend. And in the last module, you can see you need to improve a trade process. For that, you have to create a flow chart for an improved trade process. So in which you will increase your knowledge regarding the operations, how business process enhancement will take, how trade process happen, and what is the digital banking. So this type of skills you will learn. And friend, after completion of this internship, you will get the certificates. You can see this type of certificates you will get. And you can see here you will get the logo of the HSBC. And also your name will be given. You can see here your name will be given, and below that you can see your internship topic. And after that you will get the certificate of completion, which mentioned also the dates. And after that you can see what types of things you will learn will be given here on the certificates. And friend, it is a authorized certificates, and if anyone want to verify your certificates, you can see at the bottom of the certificate link is given. So if anyone want to verify, they can verify it. And friend, if you are not subscribed to our channel Mechanical Stream yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification video, free internship opportunities, interview tips, and the job notifications. So please subscribe Mechanical Stream. It will motivate us to create a more job related videos for you. So friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. So friend, let's check how you have to register for this virtual experience program. So friend, the link I have given in the description box. So once you open, then this type of window will come, and you can see here register now button is given. You have to simply click on that. And friend, once you click, then this type of window will appear. So if you have already account in Forage, then you can directly log in here. And if not, then you have to first register yourself for creating your account. So you have to click on the sign up with email. And once you click, friend, then new window will come. So you can see here this type of window will appear. So here you have to fill some details, like you have to enter here first name, and after that you have to create a last name, and you have to enter your email ID. Friend, please provide the email ID correctly, because you will receive the certificate on your email ID, and also you have to verify it. And after that, friend, you have to create a password which consists of minimum 8 characters. And below that you can see what best describes you currently. So you have to select the any one option. Means if you are the students of the high school, then you have to select the first one. And if you are the students of the university or college, then you have to select the second option. And friend, if you are the freshers and having some experience, then you have to select the last option. So you have to select any one option. And after that you can see the last question is given, that is how did you hear about this internship. So for that, friend, you have to select the any one options, like social media like Instagram, Facebook, Google search. In our case, you have to select the YouTube. And after selecting the option, friend, you have to click on this register. And once you, friend, click on this register, your ID will be created and you will be entered in your internship program. And after login, you can access your course and complete it and get the certificates. And friend, if you have any doubt regarding this virtual internship program, friend, please comment in the video. And also if you want any particular internship opportunity video, friend, please comment. We are going to check it and make a video on that. And friend, please subscribe.